Hi everyone, welcome to your maths lesson again today. I just wanted to use MathSpot again just to show you how you can use that to help you with the divisions. I also just want to talk you through just a few of the questions because you'll start to notice some of them look very similar, and I want you to think carefully about why and what sort of maths I'm wanting you to really think about when you're looking at those questions today. First off, let's just check out what Whitney's doing over here. So it says Whitney's working out 49 divided by 4 and she's used her place value chart. Let's just lay that out together on MathSpot first of all today. Here it is. So 49 divided by 4. So first job, same as before, you need to lay out your counters 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that fits just beautifully. So if I'm dividing it by 4, that means I need 4 groups. Oh, that's okay. I can already see actually those 10s. That's going to be 1 10 in each group. And I know from my times tables as well that 8 of those ones divided by 4, that'll be 2 in each group. So I can quickly lay those out in 2s as well. So can you see I do know my times table facts, so I'm using these counters just to help me visualize the maths, not necessarily to actually do the division always, but so that I can see what's happening. Now, just like Whitney, I've got that one counter left over. Pop it in a group, but then it doesn't make them equal. And remember, division is all about those equal groups. I can't exchange it down for that to actually help me at the moment. So I say that I have a remainder. You've probably heard that word before. So in this case, I know I've got 49 divided by 4. I've got 1 10 and 2 1s in each group, so that's 12, with a remainder of 1. And as I say, that might be something you recognise if you know that 12 times 4 is 48. Then you'll know odd numbers aren't in the 4 times table, so there's going to be something left over. So I've got 1 remaining, 1 that does not go into a group. Now, as you are having a look at your questions today, as I said a moment ago, when you start to look over, well, even here at question 1D, you'll notice some of the questions are really similar. 50 divided by 4, 51 divided by 4. And it asks you things like, what do you notice? And I really want you to think carefully about that. What do you notice? Have a think for a moment. Well, hopefully you've noticed that the dividend is just 1 greater in this question, but the divisor has remained the same. So 50 has become 51, but the divisor is still 4. So what will that mean for you when you're doing your calculation? And actually, look, it's only 1 more than the question we've already been looking at when we were doing Whitney's question before. Well, hopefully you'll be able to see, if you know that 49 divided by 4 was 12, remainder 1, well, will I be able to make another whole group of 4 when it's 50? I won't, will I? I'll have 2 remainders this time. So I know that it will be 12, remainder 2. And I could just visualise that here by having that 1 extra counter, because actually now I know here I've got 50 altogether. And I've got 2 now that are left over, but I've still got 12 in my groups. And then 51 divided by 4, well, I still haven't got enough to make a whole group, have I? So if I go back again, 1 more counter. So I've now got 12, remainder 3, because I've started with the number 51. Now, if I made it 52, of course, all of a sudden, I've got enough counters to make another whole group. And therefore 52 divided by 4 won't leave me with any remainders at all, but 13 in every group. So look at that quite carefully, particularly when you get to question 3. How much calculating do you need to do? Once you've worked out a question, can you use that to help you to solve the future questions that are coming up? And then when you come on to other questions as well, just keep those sorts of things in mind. Think about how that idea of the maths can help you and can save you quite a lot of work. I hope you enjoy exploring your maths today and your division. Remember to look out just in case there are some remainders in your questions. Speak to you again soon. Bye.